Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to talk about setting up your follow-up messages. Now we're inside of GetResponse right now, and what we're going to do is go to create an autoresponder. And what you're going to notice is that there are some messages that are already here. But assuming that your product is new and your list is new, and that you haven't created any messages, what you want to do is to create a series of messages that you want to set up a series of messages so that when your buyer actually gets the first message, they're going to get more messages encouraging them to pick up the upsell. Now, there are a couple of things you're going to want to do when you set up these autoresponders and these follow-ups. Now, we've spoken previously about list automation. And so when your buyer becomes part of your initial list, you want to have them removed from that list at each subsequent purchase. So you want to make sure that they are opted in to each list once they make a purchase, and that when they make that purchase and they're added to this list, they are taken off of the list of their last purchase. What this means is that they're only going to be on the list of their last purchase and not on their initial one. So again, as soon as they are subscribed to a particular list, let's say an upsell list, they need to be removed from the last product that they actually purchased. What you're doing is you're segmenting the list, but you're also making sure that at least during the launch period, that they're not going to get emails from two different places, but at the same time, you want to make sure that they get all of the follow-ups, encouraging them to continue to buy the upsell. And you do that by creating individual lists and linking those lists to each purchase of a product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.